Blessings to everybody. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. And as always, thanks for being here. And as always, you guys know the support is very, very much appreciated indeed. Ladies and gentlemen, this issue that I'm going to tackle in this video has bothered me for a long time, and something where it frustrates the hell out of me whenever I watch the Reggae Boyz play and them do the full initial. This issue was initially supposed to be tackled in my Panama match review. However, in thinking about it, I said to myself, yo, this really and truly deserves a video on its own. A long time it had bugged me, and I saw it multiple times in the Panama game. Even though it had bugged me a long time, it never previously occurred to me to speak on it. But now, I got to talk about it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the issue of the lack of consistency in our second phase of possession. What do I mean? You have three phases of possession, ladies and gentlemen, right? You have the first phase, which is the build-up phase. A lot of people generally refer to a team's entire possession as the build-up. However, and even I have made that mistake on numerous occasions and will continue to do so, to be honest with you. However, the build-up play is actually the first phase of possession, right? The second phase of possession now is the progression phase, ladies and gentlemen. That's the issue I want to talk about. A lot of the times, we cuss about the first phase, which includes or which involves breaking the initial front press. Now, that is an issue. That is an issue that needs to improve, needs to be more consistent, and we beat the team for that a trailer load at times. However, this issue, I don't think it get the attention that it really and truly deserves after we break that initial front press. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm speaking about games when we are front pressed by the opposition, like, for instance, the Panama game, right? Saw it multiple times, where we would actually break the opposition team's initial front press, transition the ball to the second phase of possession, which is the progression phase, and then the attacking transition just flopped because of some foolish. Either we play right back into the opposition team's front press, or we delay the transition so badly that it and delay it so much that it basically allows the opposition team to reorganize the front press and press we again. People on the know say I'm not foolish me talk. People, this is an issue. And it aggravates my spirit. The second phase, it flopped because of either a bad action, like a bad first touch, or a bad pass, for instance. More often than not, I've realized basically, more often than not, it flopped in our context because of a poor choice. Bad action have something to do with it too, you know. But poor choices more often than not is applicable to our context. May I talk about a delayed pass, a wrong choice of pass. Sometimes, how many times have we seen this? We break the opposition team's front press only for end up boot it long more often than not with that aimless long ball. People don't know on a foolish me talk. People, when the opposition team front presses us and we break that front press, the opposition team is disorganized because their plan failed. They are disorganized. When we do not exploit that disorganization, it is a missed opportunity. We need to be more consistent with our second phase. We are far too inconsistent in our second phase for my liking. Too many times it happened. We need to exploit the opposition team's disorganization at that particular point in time. If we don't, we basically put back pressure upon ourselves, ladies and gentlemen. We undo the good work of the first phase of possession, the build-up play, breaking the opposition's initial front press. People know and a foolish me a talk. It don't make no sense. We execute the harder part and then end up go flop on the easier part. The part where we have more time and space to play. People, it don't make no sense. Our second phase of possession, it needs to improve and it needs to be far more consistent than it currently is. I'm going to play a video right now illustrating to you guys exactly what I am talking about. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, what you see on your screen right now is an illustration of what I'm talking about. I just want to say this. This is just one example. It happened multiple times in the Panama game. This is just one example. There are varying players at fault, right? Some players are Demarai Gray, some players are Casey Palmer, some players are Lati Bodir, right? This is not just a Nana thing. To be fair, Nana played very well in this game and I was very impressed. And I understand that he is new to the position and just learning, but it still needs to improve. And it is something that I've noticed with Jamaica for quite some time now. This is just one illustration, one example of specifically what I'm referring to. So you see the good work. They're in the build-up phase to break the opposition team's initial front press. When the ball sets a bomb and is played to Damian Nanalo, ladies and gentlemen, that is the start of the second phase, the progression phase. Why Nana go back right there so to Andre Blake? For what reason? All Nana needed to do was do a scan, realize that he had enough time and space to take a first touch, and then switch the play to Dexter Limbikisa. Make a pass to Dexter Limbikisa in the space for Dexter Limbikisa to run onto and push it further into space, and Dexter Limbikisa gone on him bike, ladies and gentlemen. It did not even require a perfect pass from Damian Lowe. All it required was a half-decent pass to Dexter Limbikisa. Even Michael Hector, ladies and gentlemen, are point to, if you look on your screen, you see Michael Hector pointing to Dexter Limbikisa, and I said, no, boss, what you do? That is the pass. You know what aggravates me about this play even more? Not only did Damian Lowe not make the best decision, he made the worst decision. He had 1, 2, 3, 4 passing options, and he chose the worst out of all the 4 options. Even if he did set a bomb and make a pass to Deshaun Bernard, who would have trapped the pressure, create a 2v1 scenario with Dexter Limbikisa, and when he trap the pressure of that Panama player, him just send it down the line and send Dexter Limbikisa upon him by. Even if Damian Nanalo did choose the second best option there, the man literally choose the worst option. Just completely killed the second phase of possession. This is what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. Look on your screen. Look how many Panama players are on screen right now, outfield players. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 Panama players. Look how many Jamaica Reggae Boyz outfield players are on your screen. 6. If Dexter Limbikisa got that ball and was able to run down the right wing channel with it, progress it down the right wing channel, he would have joined 4 Jamaica Reggae Boyz who are currently out of picture. He would have joined them in the attacking transition. How many Panama players on screen? 7. How many Panama players off screen? Outfield players, 3. Ladies and gentlemen, best case scenario, it would have, if everything worked out to the best way it could, it would be a 5v3, 5 Jamaicans versus 3 Panamanians. Worst case scenario, it would be a 5v4. Anyway, you take it, we'd have numerical superiority. We would have the numerical advantage. This is what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. On a sewer me I talk about now, ladies and gentlemen. On a sewer me I talk about people that think aggravate my soul, the thing grieve my spirit, it frustrate me, it anger me. Anytime I see this go on in our game, people, honestly, people, me I much rather we possession flop in the first phase of build up and we can't break the opposition front press and we just end up have to boot it long rather than for we transition the ball to the second phase and the promising attack just flop for just some foolishness more right? People they think aggravate my spirit, it vex me. Honestly, you know how much time me I watch Reggae Boyz play and me I say what? Reggae Boyz break the first line of pressure. Go Reggae Boyz, go Reggae Boyz, go Reggae Boyz, go. Go, no, Reggae Boyz, no, Reggae Boyz, no. No, why you do it? Lottie Body, why you do it? Palmer, why you do it? Them alright, great, why? Perfectly good attack just gone to the dogs. You know what time I see people that think upset me, people. It set me off. When me I watch Reggae Boyz play and I see them do foolishness like that, it set me off. Me just get upset when me I watch Reggae Boyz play and them go on with that foolishness them, man, honestly. Anyways, hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. Knock up the likes button, subscribe and share. Free and easy ways to support the Formula Sports channel. Take care, guys. Stay safe and until next time.